when we convert or translate it to Shona, it becomes the prefix teacher. So now you can see it's now referring to a group of people, or to a plural, referring to a number of people, not only one person. So we will becomes the prefix teacher. Teacher. Example, we will talk in the evening. Talk in Shona it's kutaura. Evening it's maneru. In the evening, when we translate it to Shona, it becomes one word saying kumaneru. Kumaneru. So the sentence we will talk in the evening becomes teacher taura kumaneru. Teacher taura kumaneru. Take note here, the verb we have dropped